Hi. Our next topic is cross validation in machine learning. Cross validation is a technique for evaluating machine learning models by training several machine learning models on subsets of the available input data and evaluating them on the complementary subset of the data. The repeated holdout is the basis of a technique known as k-fold cross-validation or just k-fold CV, which has become the industry standard for estimating model performance. In k-fold cross-validation, you split the input data into k subsets of data. These subsets are known as folds. You train a machine learning model on all except one of all these subsets and then evaluate the model on the subset that was not used for training. That is, if you have 4 subsets, you will train a machine learning model on 3 among those subsets and then evaluate the model on the 4th subset. This process is repeated k times with a different subset reserved for evaluating each time. Although k can be set to any number, by far the most common convention is to use 10-fold cross-validation, 10-fold CV. This figure explains how this reservation is done. In the first round, the first 25% of the data is kept for evaluating and the rest 75% of data is used for training. In the second round, the first 25% and 50 to 100% is used for training, and in between from 25 to 50 that portion is used for evaluating. In the third round, first 50% is used for training and the last 25% is also used for training. In between, the portion from 50 to 75 is used for evaluation. In the last round, the last 25% is used for evaluation and the first 75% of data is used for training. Next is bootstrap sampling. Slightly less frequently used alternative to k-fold CV is known as bootstrap sampling, bootstrap, or just bootstrapping. It is used in machine learning to estimate the skill of a machine learning model when making predictions on data not involved in the training data set. A formal definition for bootstrap is: in statistics, bootstrap sampling is a method that involves drawing of sample data repeatedly with replacement from a data source to estimate a population parameter. Now let's check what certain terms in this definition mean. Sampling. With respect to statistics, sampling is the process of selecting a subset of items from a vast collection of items to estimate a certain characteristic of the entire population. Sampling with replacement means a data point in a drawn sample can reappear in future drawn samples as well. Next, parameter estimation. It is a method of estimating parameters for the population using samples. A parameter is a measurable characteristic associated with a population. Now, let's explain this with an example. Suppose we want to find the mean height of all the students in a school which has a total population of 1000. So how can we perform this task? One approach is to measure the height of all the students and then compute the mean height. 1000 students are there in the school. Call them, measure their height and calculate the average of their height. This is a method, but as we all know, it's a bit tedious task. It will take time. So we need a smarter approach here. This is where bootstrap sampling comes into play. In bootstrap sampling, instead of measuring the heights of all the students, we can take a random sample of 5 students and measure their heights. We would repeat the process 20 times and then average the collected height data of 100 students. This average height of all the students of the school. This is the basic idea of bootstrap sampling. Bootstrap sampling in machine learning. It is used in machine learning ensemble algorithm called bootstrap aggregating. It helps in avoiding overfitting and improves the stability of machine learning algorithms. A training sample will be here. From that, some bootstrap samples will be formed on which processing will be done repeatedly. Then the results will be assembled to get the final result. This is how it works. A training sample. From that, some bootstrap samples will be formed on which processing will take place separately. Then the results will be assembled to get the final result. Now, summarizing our topic. The bootstrap method is a resampling technique used to estimate statistics on a population by sampling a data set with replacement. It is used in applied machine learning to estimate the skill of machine learning models when making predictions on data not included in the training data. Here are a few key benefits of bootstrapping. The estimated parameter by bootstrap sampling is comparable to the actual population parameter. Since we only need a few samples for bootstrapping, the computation requirement is very less. And the time consumed will also be very less compared to cross-validation.